Hello friends, welcome to the Techie channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Z790 MAX Motherboards. So friend, MSI is announcing the brand new Intel Core 14th generation processor that will be best paired with our recently launched MSI Z790 MAX MEG Series, MPG Series, MAG Series and Pro Series motherboard. So friend, the MSI Z790 MAX motherboards paired with Intel Core 14th generation processor are here to succeed with more efficient computing from the last generation of processors, and as a world-leading motherboard manufacturer, MSI Z790 MAX motherboards are to design and provide the very best performance for gamers, creators, and all users. So friend, the Intel Core 14th generation processor are still built on their Intel 7 hybrid architecture process technology, but for the first time on the Intel Core 14th generation processor, the highest performance i9 14900K processor can hit up to 6 GHz thanks to Intel's thermal velocity boost, and the CPU refresh also focuses on Intel Core i7 14700K as it increases an additional 4 E-cores that will help increase certain multi-thread workloads as well as the increased L3 cache across all processors. And friend, some of the main product features that MSI Z790 MAX series motherboard brings, for example, Wi-Fi 7 has been introduced for the next generation of wireless solution, and Wi-Fi 7 doubles the Wi-Fi networking speed compared to Wi-Fi 6E, and it can boost its theoretical speed of 5.8 Gbps and double the bandwidth from 160 MHz to 320 MHz. The USB 4.0 PD100W Expansion Card uses PCIe 4.0 into 4 interface, offering two USB 4.0 ports and two DP 1.4 port, and the USB 4.0 not only provides high-speed connectivity at up to 40 Gbps but also support a maximum of 100 watt of power delivery with compatible devices. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.